How to remove items from cart on Temu. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the items from your cart on the Temu app. So, make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Temu app. Next, tap the cart icon at the bottom of the screen to view your items. To remove an item, simply swipe left on it and confirm by tapping Remove. The second way to remove an item is to tap the minus button next to the product quantity. You can also tap the item to open its product page. Then press the minus button. You can also bulk remove multiple items by selecting them and using the Remove Selected option. You can undo any accidental removal by tapping the Undo button immediately after deleting. If you want to check which items you recently removed, go to the cart history section for a record. Ensure you're logged in to avoid losing items when switching devices. After removing, refresh your cart to see the updated list of items. Now you know how to remove items from your cart on Temu. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.